Hey real estate investors, today I'm at my 12 unit. I just had a tenant move out and getting ready to start to turn on that. Want to give you a tour of it beforehand, go over plans. So the first thing I noticed when I got here is all these weeds. In the summertime when I mow, I spray the weeds with weed killer. I don't know what this stuff is that grows in the winter, but it looks like crap. So we're going to go ahead and pull the weeds. It's a little early to start mulching, but we're going to do it just to make sure the outside looks good when we list this apartment. Of course the door is going to need painted. Kind of weird thing about this one, the tenant called me a week or so before he moved out and was asking what do I need to do to ensure that I get my security deposit back. So I said, well, the two main things are get all your stuff out and make sure the apartment's really clean. He said, thank you, sir, and that was it. So I assumed I'd come into a spotless apartment, and that was a bad assumption, as you will see. Yeah, use Q-tip, nice. I don't think this has been cleaned the whole time he was here. I'm sure the filters are all completely clogged up. Fan is covered in dust, and I can't shut it off because he broke the pull string. Smoke detector's missing. I found that under the heater, of course. That's where you put them. Walls are a little banged up, nothing too bad. In the kitchen, the sink is really disgusting. Yeah. And then the cabinets surprisingly are not full of stuff, but I did discover he broke this door, so hopefully I can fix that. It's always a challenge if you can't fix it to try to match some stain or put a different cabinet in. It's just hard to match everything up. Freezer, hey, we have some shooters. We got plenty of snuff, and we got hot pockets, so that'll make this a fun turn. The fridge is completely disgusting. I guess the baking soda keeps all this stuff from stinking. I'm not sure. Check out the bedroom. It's actually not too bad in here. Just more dust everywhere. Got something hanging here, I'm not sure what. Closet door's down, hopefully it just needs hung up. Hopefully it's not all busted up. And as always, the disabled smoke detector. So in the bathroom, I covered up the toilet. I'm gonna spare you that. The rest of it's bad enough. Yeah, just shave and leave the hair. The bathtub's full of hair and dirt and scum and all kinds of stuff. It's disgusting. My daughter is not going to be happy cleaning that. Closet, it's not too bad. Hey, I picked up another dustpan and broom. I seem to pick one up on almost every turn. So my plan for this is to really just clean it up and patch the holes, paint the place. If you guys see anything else that I should do to get this ready to rent, please leave in the comment. And as always, I'll come back with a video once I finish this. Thanks for watching.